So small holes or tears in drywall are repaired by basically just applying drywall compound with the drywall knife. You spread a thin layer, you allow it to dry. Once it's dry, you sand it smooth. You repeat this 2 to 3 times until you're happy with the results. You want to make sure that there's no loose paper or pieces sticking out before you begin. If there's a lump or something, you're going to squish it in or try to remove it before you start. With medium-sized holes, you're basically going to do the same thing, except we're going to use a little piece of drywall tape or paper to cover it to hold the first layer of compound in place. For larger areas, of course, we have to put in a new piece of drywall. So you're going to clean the hole and you're going to want to cut it into a shape that's easy to work with. Attach some little pieces of wood as backer strips using the drywall screws. Then you're gonna secure your new piece of drywall to these pieces of wood. Tape up your seams with the tape and then start the mudding process. After you've done a couple coats, dried in sand, you should be good to go to prime and paint. Make sure you sink the heads of your screws down just a touch so that you can cover them with mud as well. And that's basically it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.